What's going on, guys? So in today's video we're going to be getting some rollers of the truck. And you already saw it on the wheel reveal, probably some of them, but we're going to get some more. We're just going to take it all along for it because it's a little sketchy. Most people know that do go get rollers. You know, you got to have a couple buddies. Unless you're a Naruto, you shadow clone jutsu it, you know, that'd be insane. But yeah, so we're going to be using old Grandpa. I'm going to let me drive the truck and hop in the back of Grandpa and get some rollers. Hopefully get some sick rollers. So I guess I'm gonna stick the GoPro up on the window and you just kind of see me. Hopefully we don't run into any cops or anything, but if we do, it's gonna be filmed. So let's do it. Mead, need you to drive. This is the Chariot. So I'm gonna put y'all up here and enjoy. All right, be honest. What do you think about Baby Squat?
Dude, I miss driving a truck. It's so nice.
I like it more like this than ever.
Seriously?
You want to trade?
Nah.
I like it. I like it more than the chrome wheels you have.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. The high country wheels, yeah, for sure. That's funny.
Hey, after he passed Budweiser, I said he was gone.
I figured you.
Went home.
I figured you weren't coming back.
I almost went home.
It would have been real funny if you'd gone, turned around,
Just drove on by.
Just kept on trucking, full blast.
Shit, just went over the gears and grabbed my car.
Headed home, baby. We get back to Gear's house. He's loading his car on a trailer behind it. Shoots us a bird, drives off. Yeah. Daggone. Well, that worked out pretty good. Hopefully I got some good stuff. The wind's brutal back there. Got it.
The wind is brutal. Hurricane Dorian.
So quick little roller shot video. It's stressful, but it's fun. I know people are going to be upset saying you shouldn't be riding in the back of the truck or something, but I don't think it's a law in Alabama. I think you can legally ride in the back.
Hey, it is Dorian.
Can you legally ride in the back of trucks?
Oh yeah, standing up.
Dang, clean. Totally.
Is it 18? I think it's 18 in there. You can.
Psh, totally legal then. Legal rolling shots, baby. Any Budweiser connoisseurs? Huh? All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much going to do it. I just wanted to bring y'all along for a little episode of getting rollers and show y'all what we go through in order to get them. You can't just be inside the cab and everything, but it's kind of hard to line it up just on a 2-lane. It's easier to be in the bed to get the full truck or whatever. Hopefully I did get some decent stuff. Obviously you're fixing to see that now. So I guess let's go ahead and just jump into the rollers.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah. I throw up, and if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up, and if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah.